Hello, sweet one, and welcome to this week's guided meditation as we sink into the knowing that we are enough, just as you are in this moment. You are perfect and worthy. Take a deep breath in through your nose and release it slowly through your mouth. Feel the weight of your body where it rests, fully supported by the surface beneath you. With every breath, allow yourself to let go. Release the to-do lists, the expectations, the judgments. You've arrived in this sacred space where there is nowhere else to be, nothing else to do. Breathe in deeply and exhale, letting yourself fully arrive into this moment. Feel the air entering your lungs. Notice how your body rises and falls effortlessly, sustaining you without question. This is the miracle of being alive. As you breathe, imagine roots growing from the base of your spine, extending deep into the earth. Feel yourself grounding, connecting with the stability and nurturing energy of the earth below you. Repeating silently in your mind, I am here. I am safe. I am enough. Now I invite you to imagine standing before a beautiful mirror. This is no ordinary mirror. It reflects the truest essence of who you are, beyond any doubts, fears, or societal expectations. As you gaze into this mirror, notice what arises. Perhaps you see judgments, worries, or old stories that no longer serve you. With each exhale, visualize these thoughts gently dissolving into light, leaving only love and truth behind. Feel a sense of lightness as you release the weight of not enough. Now see your reflection transform. It begins to glow, radiating a golden divine light. This light represents your authentic self, whole, radiant, and perfectly imperfect. Hear these words as if your higher self is speaking directly to you. You are enough. You are worthy of love exactly as you are. You do not need to prove yourself or earn your place in this world. You belong. You are a gift to this world. Your existence matters. Allow these words to sink deeply into your being, wrapping around your heart like a warm embrace. Now take a moment to scan your body. Feel this truth. I am enough, settling into every cell. Imagine this golden light filling your entire body, from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. Feel this light as a steady pulse within you. It reminds you that you carry this worth wherever you go. It doesn't waver or depend on external validation. It is always there, just like your breath. Now bringing your awareness to the crown of your head. Imagine this gentle, warm light resting there. This light begins to melt away any tension, any lingering thoughts of not being enough. Feel this light moving down to your forehead, softening your brow, releasing any tension in your eyes. Let your jaw unclench, your shoulders drop. With every exhale, allow this light to release any burden you've been carrying, any stories, expectations, or judgments. Simply let them go. The light moves to your chest, your heart space. Feel it glowing warmly here, gently opening your heart to receive. Let this light remind you that you are already whole, already worthy. Bringing your attention to your heart center, place your hand over your heart. Feel the steady rhythm of your heartbeat. This is the song of your life, the reminder that you are alive, that you are here for a reason. With each breath, let yourself sink deeper into the truth of your worth. Not because of what you've done or achieved, but simply because you exist. Repeating silently, I am enough. I am whole. I am worthy. Let the power of these words settle into your heart. Imagine every cell in your body lighting up with this truth. If any doubts or feelings of inadequacy arise, acknowledge them with love. They are not who you are. They are only passing clouds in the sky of your being. Let them drift away. Returning to your mantra, I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. Now imagine yourself standing in a beautiful and serene space, wherever you feel most at peace. In this space, you notice a figure approaching. This is your higher self, the wisest, most loving version of you. Take a moment to observe them. They are radiant, glowing with confidence, self-love, and peace. Your higher self looks at you with infinite love and says, "Sweet one, you are enough just as you are." Feel the power of their words. Let them sink into your soul. Take a moment now to ask your higher self any questions you may have. Listen for their answers, which might come as words, images, or simply a deep knowing. The time is yours to ask and listen. When you're ready, your higher self places their hands on your shoulders, filling you with a golden light of unconditional love. As the visualization fades, bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the light of your higher self still glowing within you. A reminder that you are and always have been enough. Begin to gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the support of the surface beneath you, grounding you once again in the present moment. Take a deep breath in through your nose and release it slowly. When you're ready, open your eyes and carry this truth without you through the day. I am enough. I always have been. I always will be. Namaste, sweet one.